Across the American Northwest, Homo sapiens run free. Here we find two juveniles, most likely siblings, collecting inedible berries.
We're smushing them up.
Making smush and a great giant one.
Because we want to try to make a giant berry.
Yeah. So they. That's a bigger. That's we have a lot.
In the spirit of cooperation, the two siblings join forces to collect as many berries as possible.
These berries. They're small ones. Car coming. Not having. But it worked.
The plan seems to be going well, until inexplicably the older sibling runs off with the collected berries. At first, the younger sibling continues to collect berries.
You need more berries. I fill up. Don't need a white. Oh, need a white.
But he eventually gives up the berries in favor of catching up with his older sibling. The brothers eventually reunite, with the berry smushing already underway.